Hello guys and welcome to another vlog. Today we are reviewing the all-new Volvo XC60 and this is the BS6 compliant version of it. And for the instance you can see the Volvo's trademark Thor-shaped, hammer-shaped LED DRLs with these laser matrix headlights, and here it says full LED system with the Volvo branding as well. And overall this car looks very scintillating, and that's the main reason for its huge sales. And up front it also gets vertical slat grills with a humongous Volvo logo and a camera inset of it. And if we see it down, it gets a spitter sort of treatment over here, a skid plate sort of treatment, and the down hidden are the fog lamps which are also LED. And at front it gets these parking sensors along with this chrome outlining which looks very nice. And these are the headlamp washer of the car, and overall the design of the car is great. Mainly these cuts and pieces on the hood of the car make it look just a piece apart. And if we come to the side of the car, the rear highlight are these 19-inch alloy wheels, and these are the first in the segment to offer 19-inch wheels, and these wheels look just phenomenal. And these are Michelin tires. The size of the tire is 235, 55, 19 inches. Yeah, these wheels look just gorgeous. And on the side it gets a chrome lining on the down running, and it says the trim name which is Inscription down here. You see further, and these are the outside rear view mirror which are not attached to the body and give it a quite sportier look. And the mirrors are again surrounded with chrome all around. And over here this is the roof rails which are again finished in silver. And all the 4-door handles gets a request sensor on it, which is a very nice touch, along with the light over here, you can see. And Volvo has done a great job in terms of designing of this car. You see this muscular lining running through here, and this car looks so gorgeous. The person who is going to buy it is just for its design. And at back you can see this Volvo's trademark L-shaped tail lamps, which again are so well done, and the attention to detail in this light is just phenomenal. This is the indicator, and over here it says XC60, a huge Volvo branding right over here. And here says the trim name D5 Inscription and all-wheel drive. And back over here down it gets reflectors are surrounded with chrome, and Volvo has used chrome so well in this car. Like in this exhaust tip, these are real exhaust up in there, and again surrounded in chrome. And Volvo has done some phenomenal job in designing of this car. And the rear wheels are also of same size as the front tires, so no difference in the tires. As you can see, the car looks so damn gorgeous. So let's open the boot. This is the button. It's a electric tailgate that is expected for a car of this price. And down over here it gets a spare wheel, which is a steel wheel and a smaller size unit. And here are 2 lights. It also gets a 12-volt socket right over here, and some nets for first aid kit and hooks to hold on to your luggage. And it also gets a parcel shelf over here. Nice. And the boot is of very decent size, and it's quite spacious for a weekend drive or a long journey as well. And it also gets buttons to close the boot. And there's the reverse parking camera, and it also works with gesture, like you wave your foot down and it opens the boot. But right now the car is on accessories, so that's why it will not work. So let's get to the rear seat of the car. You see the doors feel very solid, and the materials used is just great. Each and every material is of extreme high quality. As you can see, this tan leather over here, softish plastic, and these are the speakers with a metal grill on it. And the bottle holders are also of decent size, and the seats are so lovely only to see. So let's get inside. And the space at the back is just great. Yeah, the under thigh support is excellent, the leg room is excellent, the knee room is excellent, and the back support also is excellent, and the seats are so well cushioned and they are so soft, and the headrest as well. And the XC60 seats are made in collaboration with some orthopedic surgeons. That's the reason they are so comfortable. Even the center seat is very soft, not that wide, but it's quite soft. And it also gets a slight hump at the between. The third person would not be that comfortable, but will be decently comfortable as such. Over here it also gets a 3-zone climate control system with some touch controls over here. And here it gets a 12-volt charging socket with a cigarette lighter, and the seat back are scooped out with some magazine holders. On top over here it gets some lights. It also gets AC vent on the B pillar. The front seats gets height adjustable seat belt as well. Here's some hook over here too. Here also handle to hold on to, and it gets a massive panoramic sunroof, which brings in a quite a lot of airy feeling in this dark cabin. And overall this car is very comfortable. The seats are so well cushioned and the reclining angle is also great, but the seat doesn't recline any further as such, and there are no adjustment for the rear seat. That's bad, but yeah, it's okay. The seats are very well, and it also gets a center armrest which is huge in size, and it gets a mobile holder over here along with some storage inside. It also gets twin cup holders like this. Overall the rear seat experience of this car is great, but the real fun lies in the front driver's seat. So let's get to there right away. And here's also a black color one standing, which looks better, but the white color one is easy to shoot. And it also gets an iPad over here with all the information, like this car starts from 59,90,000 rupees, and different car details, from manufacturer, and many different things. And let me show you one more thing. Here it also gets the side parking cameras, because it gets a 360-degree parking system. So when start from the front door, over here gets the control all for the windows, as well as child lock the rear doors windows, for the outside rear view mirrors, lock and lock the car. This is for the memory function on the seats, and this is the speaker and the finishing done on it. It's just something out of the box. You can see inside it is yellow color, silver color, and this metal finish, so good. And this handles also are of metal. And then the Volvo has done some great job in the selection of material, and overall the cabin feels so plush and so nice to be in, and it's like an occasion only. We close the door properly, and as you can see, the interior of this car is just phenomenal. See, it gets a 7.5-inch vertically placed screen at here. It also gets a screen over here, and let me turn on the car. Yeah, all the accessories are on. Over here it also gets many features like these. And over here, and this screen is extremely well loaded. Like, you can do each and everything using this. Like, it gets ESP sport mode, park assist, and the features of this car list is never ending. Yeah, this car has got almost everything you would need. Also gets park in, park out features, but they are not currently available because the ignition is not on, and we are inside the showroom, so I can't on the ignition. And it also gets air conditioning controls over here, so you can turn on the air conditioning from here only. And the seats are so comfortable. Just look at the seats. From seeing only, you can say that these are extremely comfortable seats. You can adjust each and every bit of the seat. These also gets massage function, which is extremely nice. And these seats also gets heating and cooling for them also. That's not currently working. There's some problem in the car, I don't know, but it gets heating and cooling function also for seats. And the main thing, this car comes with 15 speakers, Bose and Wilkins sound system, and that sound just phenomenal. Yeah, the speakers of this car are phenomenal. And it also gets a mode known as concert hall. Yeah, the concert hall mode, and this just gives a different level of experience altogether. And Volvo is known for its speakers and the instrument clusters and infotainment systems, and this infotainment system is very sleek to use. Everything from navigation and everything, the maps, like you can full screen the maps, and these are so sleek to use. There are no lag as such. You can opt for a 3D vision too. And overall this car is a extremely feature loaded car. And if I talk about steering wheel, it's a leather wrapped unit, that's obvious. And over here it gets control for the cruise control system, and these two buttons are for the automatic braking system to adjust the distance from your car in the front which you are following. So you can adjust the distance you want of 15 meters, 20 meters using these buttons. These buttons are for the audio system as well as the instrument cluster. Like you can browse through the instrument cluster like this, like different mode, trip, media and phone navigation, and all will be shown over here. And the first in the segment feature of this car is this IntelliSafe radar system. What it does, it helps in the lane keep assist feature as well as the following car feature and the automatic This car also gets some of the segment first feature like this radar system, which is known as the IntelliSafe system. And what it does, it helps in the lane keeping assist and many autopilot techs as well as for safety reasons. And that works just flawlessly well. And the automatic braking is done using this system only, and it senses the road in front and the vehicle standing in front of you, and it brakes accordingly the distance you selected. And our top overhead gets this massive panoramic sunroof. This is the control for that. These are for the lights of the car, and these are very bright lights. And let me show you the materials used over here. This is pure leather over here as well, and there's a ultimate wood used over here with a chrome lining running through it, and which gives an extreme premium feel to the car. But there's a hard plastic also used, like this glove box. The material is not that good. Volvo could have been done something better, but yeah, they didn't. And over here it gets controls for the audio system, like this is for the volume, and this is for the previous and next track. This is the defoggers, and this for the hazard light switch. And this is the gear lever of the car. And over here this is the engine start stop button. That's something to rotate it like this, then the car starts. This button over here, this square wheel, is for the drive modes, like it gets off-road, dynamic, comfort and eco. This car comes with 4 drive mode, which alters the steering wheel as well as the engine of the car. And overall the feature list of this car is never ending. It gets massage function for the front seat. It also gets cooling and heating functions too. And these are the keys of the car, which are again finished in leather, same color as of the interior of the car. That's the great attention to details. And these are the AC vents, which are again finished in chrome, and this is so premium to use. To turn it off, you just rotate it like this. And over here also it gets like that function only. And on top you can see the speakers, and overall this car looks gorgeous. And the feel of sitting in a Volvo is just another, and Volvo has taken the level of interiors to just next level. And over here it gets these parking electronic parking brake button as well as the auto hold function. And it over here it gets a place to keep your key or coins. And here are some twin cup holders and a place to keep a mobile phone as well as a cigarette lighter. And the glove box is also quite big in size, and it's a cooling glove box as well, as you can see over here. Says cooling glove box. And overall this car feels extremely good, and in comparison to its rivals is just a way ahead in terms of features and the safety tech. And the sun here, the sun visor also gets a light as well as mirror. Same is the case over here. It's a light as well as mirror with twin mics over here for a Bluetooth system. And the final verdict of this car is just great. But Volvo has done a thing for safety reasons only, that they have limited the speed to 180. But yeah, if they wouldn't have done it, it would be nice, but they have done it for safety purpose only, so that's not a big issue. No one over here drives, it's not possible only to drive in Indian roads above 180, so that's not a big issue. And overall the car is just great. So if you're planning to buy a car in this segment, so you can surely opt for the Volvo XC60 in my opinions. It's way ahead of its rivals in terms of features as well as the comfort level it offers. So guys, this was Shubhadeep Banerjee today reviewing the all new Volvo XC60. Let's see you guys in the another video really soon. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.